Hi friends. Today, let's talk about augmented reality, also known as AR. What is AR? Augmented reality is a technology that combines the real world with computer-generated digital objects like images, 3D models, or animations. In simple words, you can still see your real surroundings, but extra virtual elements appear on top of them. Examples of AR: Snapchat or Instagram filters, adding sunglasses, masks, or crowns to your face. Pokemon Geo, Pokemon appearing in real streets. IKEA or Amazon apps, placing a virtual sofa or furniture inside your home before buying. Where is AR used? Gaming. Games like Pokemon Go make you feel like the game is part of the real world. Shopping. You can try furniture, clothes, or accessories virtually before buying. Education. Students can learn using 3D models of the human body, planets, and more. Medical field. Doctors can practice surgeries using AR. Industry. Engineers can use AR for training and machine maintenance. AR equals real world plus virtual objects overlay. Comment your questions. Thank you.